Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Wow. So you probably have heard tick tock, DUNS will no longer be the place you go to get your UEI, which is your Unique Entity Identifier. That's what DUNS has been called all this time. And if you are interested in doing some government cleaning contracts, as of April the 4th, 2022, you will no longer go to DNB to obtain your DUNS number. Just like you're trying to win contracts, DUNS has had this contract with the government for years, and it's coming to an end. No worries. I'm going to make sure that I give you a video step by step on April the 4th when DUNS switches over, and then you will go to SAM.gov to receive your UEI number, which is your Unique Entity Identifier number. That's right. So hold tight. I'm going to take you through and show you my screen on what I'm doing to make sure that you know what you need to do to get this all handled. So I'm going to talk about what you need to do if you don't have a DUNS number already, or if you already have one and is switching over. I'm going to give you the scoop on everything you need and a little bit more. So make sure you join me for that Monday video on April the 4th. I'll be there bright and early at 10 a.m. And make sure you bring some pen and paper so that way you can write everything down or take a photo of what I'm doing. Because like I said, I'm going to actually show you and share my screen. So that way we don't get all worried or worked up about it, because they've got a lot talking about the DUNS number changing, what you need to do in the deadline. And people are like, okay, does that mean my DUNS number is going to go away? I'm not going to be able to register with the government anymore. What exactly does it mean? I'm going to answer all of that and more. So hold tight, April the 4th. Make sure you're here. I will show you everything you need to do. So until then, if you want to know more, other than just how to obtain your UEI number, your Unique Entity Identifier, then make sure that you register for my workshop. It's an actual government, how to get started, B2G, business to government, simplified workshop. I'm going to show you everything you need to do. I break it down into 3 areas, all about the requirements, all about the marketing, and everything you need to find a government cleaning contract. Now, if you're not into the government space as far as with cleaning, then still make sure you join me, because I cover so many other areas. I'm all about the facility support services. The janitorial falls under that, but if you do landscaping, if you do post-construction, window security, any of that, I'd love to see you. Space is limited, so make sure you register now. I look forward to seeing you, and until the next video, take care and be safe. Bye-bye.